This museum was built as the main venue for the Fukui Restoration Expo held in 1952 to commemorate Fukui's restoration from the damage caused by the Second World War and the 1948 Great Fukui earthquake. After the expo, it opened as the Fukui City History Museum. After the expansion and renovation of the facility, the name of the museum was changed to Fukui City Museum of Natural History. It is considered as the museum where people can learn about their local natural history, and it has been loved by the locals ever since the beginning. The building was constructed with reinforced concrete and has had an astronomical observatory on its top floor since it opened. It has an oblong pent roof at the front entrance, rectangular windows, and a large rectangular glass window on the front right side of the building. Thus, its exterior features a contemporary design emphasizing horizontal and vertical lines. The museum can be seen from downtown Fukui and has been popular among the locals as a symbol of Fukui's restoration from the war and earthquake damage. As a result, it was registered as a tangible cultural asset by the national government in October 2017.